Welcome to Math Antics. In this video, we're going to learn how to do multi-digit addition. A multi-digit number is just a number with more than one digit, which is anything greater than 9. Two-digit numbers use two number places, like the number 32. It has a 2 in the ones place and a 3 in the tens place. Three-digit numbers use three number places. For example, 250. There's a 5 in the ones place, a 1 in the tens place, and a 2 in the hundreds place. But no matter how many digits a number has, if you know your basic addition facts, you can add it to any other multi-digit number easily. So let's start by adding these two numbers together. Here's how it works. The first thing we need to do is stack the numbers up. And by that, I mean rewriting them so they're on top of each other like this. Don't be sloppy. Make sure they line up nice and straight. That's more like it. But here's the most important part. Be sure to line up the number places so that they're directly over each other.
In 215, which number is in the ones place? Please show me by the raise of hands.
So that the one
In 32, which number is in the ones place?
ones place of the number on top is directly over the ones place of the number beneath it. And if you line up the ones place correctly, then all the other number places will be lined up too. The tens place are also lined up, and the hundreds places. Well, the bottom number doesn't have a digit in the hundreds place, but that's okay. We can just imagine a 0 there as a placeholder, but we don't have to show it. After our numbers are lined up, we draw a line just below the bottom number because our answer is going to go below that. We also put a plus sign down here on the left side to show that we're adding. By stacking the numbers up, we formed columns for each number place, and we're going to add the digits in each column. And this is super important. We always start with the ones place column and then work our way to the left. And in the ones place, we have 5 plus 2, which equals 7. So we put a 7 in the ones place of our answer, which is just below the line. Now we can move left to the next number place column, which is the tens place. The digits there are a 1 plus a 3, and that gives us a 4 in the tens place of our answer. And last of all, we add the hundreds place column. But there's only one digit there, so we don't really have to add it. We just bring the 2 down to our answer like this. Of course, we could add the 2 to the 0 that we imagined there as a placeholder, but 0 plus 2 will just give us 2 also. There, 215 plus 32 equals 247. Let's try another example. This one's a little harder. 1,850 plus 354. Okay, the first step is the same. We need to stack the numbers up so we can add each number place column. Be sure to line up the ones places and draw your line and plus symbol just like in the last.